on the last point you will be watch your video in the 2 minutes, but when I watch like that video will be very long, 30 minutes, but I convey this tutorial in just 15 minutes, but point is very most, but I will be I'll easily my topic discover in just 10 minutes. But no brother, I want you will be I convey my all tutorial, all method in very clear points to you. For that brother, this video is more than 28 minutes brother. I don't want more than this video in 30 plus minutes, but look at this, like that we watch this video completely, but finally this video is end. But you need brother last minimum 2 minutes you will be watch your video in the last sometime last ad is last ad will be played with you, but you also watch the last ad. You brother, you need 2 to 3 ads in one video you watch. This is my pro, this is my method brother, this is my complete method. I also work on this method brother, but this depend on you how devices you will be used for this method. And I have one more method, you will be easily earn in one day 200 to $500 in one day, but this method is long earning method, is also some risk, but I also available this method brother. When you need more earning method, I also available. When you need, I will be give you. I also 20 plus more courses like YouTube related, and I also just touch my some most recommend courses, but I have many courses related to YouTube. And I have one another YouTube earning method, like you earn in one day $500 plus, in one day 400 minimum $100 you will be earn from one another method I have. But it's 90 to 95% safe my another method, but you use this method, you follow the same stuff, it's 100% safe method brother. This is the I only work